Hey bitches, Andric Chia here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is so weird to say, but I have a good news. I think, I don't, fingers crossed. Anyway, pardon me for the fan noise because guys, look, Singapore is so hot. You'll literally die without a fan or the air conditioner. But sadly enough, my studio is not ready or unable to install air conditioning right here, so I just have to bear with a noisy fan and you guys just have to bear with me, alright? So, in today's video, I am going to do a iMac unboxing! Yay! So, I think there is 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago I decided to purchase an iMac because I need to retire my roughly 5-year-old laptop. Yes, guys, my MacBook is roughly 5 years old, and I went on to research on the latest iMac 2020, and apparently it's quite a good upgrade. So I decided to get the custom iMac, and also I've gotten myself a 10-watt fast charging wireless mouse pad, which you guys can see from the box that not only that this is a mouse pad, this can also charge my freaking iPhone 11 Pro. Yes, I'm so happy. And also because okay, the reason behind this iMac purchase is because I want to start venturing out into doing YouTube videos. So you know, when you guys are watching this video, I am already using this iMac to edit this video. So in order to store all the videos or all the effects or whatever I've done, I've got myself 1TB hard drive. I don't know what's the best hard drive out there, I'm not really a tech geek. Okay, for me, before I purchased this iMac, I had done tons of research on what graphics should I get, what memory, what kind of upgrade do I need. So I'm a tech. So I rely a lot on the YouTube videos. So if you guys have any recommendation on good hard drive, definitely tell me. So without any further ado, I will jump right into the iMac unboxing. Yay! Guys, this is my lovely iMac, and I think the specs is here. Let me see. Is it here? I don't know. Oh my god. No, it's not here. So I think it's inside the box, but okay. Alright, so I am going to unbox my iMac right here, and it's so heavy guys, it's like roughly 14 kg. And I was telling the guy, please allow me to have a handle so that I can carry it. I don't want them to deliver it to my house. I went to collect it myself. So yeah, that's the reason why there's this little cutout here to have the handle. I am going to unbox this thing right here guys. Oh my god guys, after so long finally I'm able to put this bloody iPhone right here. So I'm gonna unbox this little baby. Come out, bitch. Wait. Why can't you come out? Oh, it's the wrong side guys. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna unbox this baby guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so huge. I definitely can't do this on my table because it's so huge. Oh my god, guys, it's so heavy. Okay. So guys, this is the iMac. Where's my specs? I don't think they write the specs here. But okay, I'm just gonna put the specs that I've chosen up on the screen right here. So this is my first time unboxing a iMac. So oh my god. Guys, this is the crucial part right here. I'm gonna like let you guys enjoy this part. Okay guys, finally you guys saw the tape. I'm gonna unbox my baby. Oh my god, what a huge box. It's so heavy guys, I'm not even kidding. So, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to unbox because I'm so scared. It's my first time. Pull out the top first. Okay, the top, there's something. It is my mouse. New mouse? Okay, I'm gonna unbox. Come out. Okay, guys. Okay, so you need to carry this together like that. Right, okay. I'm done. No? The bottom. And another part. So this part is the power cord in here. This is my iMac 27-inch. Going to peel. Alright guys. Oh guys, look. This is a very amateur unboxing guys, okay, please don't come for me. Okay, there's also another seal of plastic. I didn't get the whatever screen that I can find. I don't think I need that. It's just normal reflective screen. So much packaging. So I'm gonna upgrade my RAM myself, and I'm gonna do it now. Oh my god guys, I almost died carrying the 24-inch iMac Pro, no not Pro, iMac, because I need to flip the whole thing to access the RAM compartment and click in my own RAM. Guys, I almost died. So warm. But guys, look at this beautiful setup. So this is my 27-inch iMac. I'm gonna unbox this little baby. This contains the mouse and also the keyboard. So it was so hard to do it with one hand. And yep, I'm gonna take it out and use it. I mean, okay, even though however much I am a fan of Apple, guys, I'm not a fucking fan of the mouse. Cause bro, who charges the mouse here? Like, imagine I'm in the middle of something very important. What the fuck? This mouse cannot save me. But I love the keyboard. Okay guys, it's so hard to do in one hand, so I'm gonna use my second hand. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Oh, what is this? What in the flying hell is this? Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, there's a cable for my charge. It's stupid guys, this is stupid, okay? And I think this is a cloth. I'm literally a different, like influencer right now, using one hand for everything. So yeah, this is the cloth and everything. So I'm gonna set up my iMac right now. Do I need to charge? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna on right now. Wait, which side? Side? Yeah, it's this side, okay. Guys, let it work.
2,000 years later.
Is it starting or is it not? Is it even working? What the hell? Why is it not working? Am I waiting for something to happen? Or is it like that, guys? I'm worried. It's not doing anything. Oh, the Apple logo! Oh my god. Guys, it's happening! Wee! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna set everything up and I'll be right back.